heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, HVAC, consultants provide expert advice on the design, installation, maintenance, and repair of HVAC systems. They work with homeowners, businesses, and other organizations to help them create comfortable and energy-efficient environments. Key responsibilities of HVAC consultants include conducting site inspections and assessments. Consultants visit the property to evaluate the existing HVAC system, identify any problems, and assess the client's needs and budget. Designing HVAC systems, they create blueprints and specifications for new HVAC systems, considering factors such as size, capacity, energy efficiency, and budget. Selecting HVAC equipment, consultants recommend the most appropriate HVAC equipment for the client's needs, including air conditioners, furnaces, boilers, and ventilation systems. Overseeing installation and commissioning, they supervise the installation of new HVAC systems, ensure compliance with codes and standards, and conduct testing to ensure proper operation. Providing maintenance and repair services, consultants offer ongoing maintenance and repair services to keep HVAC systems running smoothly and efficiently. Energy audits and consulting, they conduct energy audits to identify energy-saving opportunities and recommend upgrades or modifications to improve efficiency. HVAC consultants can help businesses and homeowners achieve several benefits, including improved indoor air quality. Properly functioning HVAC systems can reduce indoor pollutants and improve overall air quality. Enhanced comfort, well-designed HVAC systems can maintain comfortable temperatures throughout a building, regardless of the outdoor conditions. Reduced energy costs, energy-efficient HVAC systems can save money on energy bills. Extended equipment lifespan, proper maintenance and repair can extend the lifespan of HVAC equipment. Improved productivity and employee satisfaction. Comfortable and healthy indoor environments can boost employee productivity and satisfaction. Please check description for much more.